Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this packing tape. It actually comes with a dispenser and 6 rolls. So it came packaged really nice. Now this is gonna be fantastic for packaging up things to go back to stores or even for moving, because there are 360 total yards. So each one of these things has 60 yards in it, and they're 1.88 inches thick. With a milliliter thickness, like on the side here, it is 2.7. Each one of these, super simple to easily pull off and get started. So I love that. There is no just trying to grab for it or anything. And the first one already comes assembled for you. This looks amazingly easy. You just simply pull on this, and then we will get this tucked up underneath here and ready to go. Woo! That's kind of fun. Look at that. So as you're pulling it, that just takes it and we'll cut it straight across and it will hold in place. So that is fantastic. So let's put this thing to use and we will try it out. So the tape will just simply go on here and then pull across. Real nice and simple. We just pull that across. It just simply glides across, does a great job. And then whenever you're ready to cut it, all you've got to do is just simply pull down on here, pulls the tape. That is a super clear tape. I didn't do too good at taping on my own end right there. But, this is fantastic, the way that this just glides across, pulls. This is super strong tape. I'm pushing down on it and it is not breaking. That is amazing. You can easily pick it up. It's not fraying. A nice dispenser to use for any sort of moving purposes.